So my today's topic is multi-level queue scheduling by Parth Latpate. Multi-level queue scheduling is a CPU scheduling algorithm that divides processes into multiple queues based on their priority. Each queue is assigned a different priority level. The scheduler switches between them. Characteristics of multi-level queue scheduling. First one, multiple queue. Processes are divided into multiple queues based on their priority. Second one is priority based scheduling. The scheduler alternates between the queue, and the third one is dynamic adjustment. Process can move between queues based on their behavior and resource utilization. Advantages of multi-level queue scheduling are improved responsiveness. Higher priority processes are serviced quickly, improving the overall system responsiveness. Second one is enhanced fairness. The scheduler ensures that all processes receives a fair CPU time. Third one is flexibility. The system can be easily configured to prioritize different types of tasks. The disadvantage of multi-level queue scheduling are complexity. It is a very complex and hard process. Overhead. The process of moving tasks between queue and adjusting priorities can add overhead to the system. Third one is potential starvation. If not properly configured, lower priority queue may experience starvation. Multiple feedback queue scheduling. First one, queue division. Second one is dynamic adjustment. Third one is prioritization. The various characteristics of multi-level feedback queue scheduling are: first one, priority based. Processes are assigned different priority levels. Second one is dynamic adjustment. Process can move between queue as the proper priority and resources utilization changes over time. Feedback based. The conclusion and key takeaways are: first one, multiple queue scheduling. Divide processes into multiple queue based on their priority, with scheduler alternating between queues. Second one is multiple feedback queue scheduling, adds dynamic queue adjustment based on process behavior. Third one is trade-offs. Both approaches offer advantages like improved responsiveness and fairness.
उसी से पढ़ना पड़ेगा पार्ट पे।